Hi everyone, I am narrowing down my time-lapse process for 3D printing. I wanted to go ahead and try out a few more things, so I needed another accessory around the house. So far this will be an iPhone stand. I can put my phone on there, I can, put it that way, all that fun stuff. So this is going to be another test of the time-lapse, but do me a favor and go ahead and comment below what things you'd like to see time-lapse 3D printed. And I'll go ahead and see if I queue them up and we'll get some content out there for you. Anyways, stay tuned.